Okay, what do we have today?
If you hear the words harsh and demanding, it probably makes you think of your boss as deadlines approach. Instead, think of Amphenol's rugged RJ panel mount connectors and how they can easily add IP67 sealing to your design. That's because these connectors are comparable in size to standard RJ11 and RJ45 equivalents, meaning you can usually replace existing standard connectors with little to no design changes, and they mate with standard, readily available plugs. Plus, you get the benefits of internal and external flexible silicone rubber seals to provide IP67 sealing over a wide temperature range, and a die-cast metal housing to protect against mechanical damage. So, you can use Amphenol's ruggedized RJ connectors in all of those harsh and demanding applications that your harsh, demanding boss is so stressed about.